Hello everyone, I'm Charuta. Welcome to Urja Wellness and Joy. Can you guess where am I? Well, I'm in Goa. I'm enjoying my vacation with my friends and having great time with them. And I'm just right now walking alongside the beach, so thought of offering you all general guidance angel card reading because I'm feeling very refreshed and energized. All right, and I'm carrying this deck with me, Magical Mermaids and Dolphins deck. So, okay, so let's get started. As usual, you have three options. I collected these beautiful shells and I thought of using it for this purpose. So, quickly make a choice. This is pile number 1, pile number 2, and pile number 3. I'll give you few moments to make a choice. Alright, and then we shall see the messages. All those who selected first pile, you got two messages. First is Father Healing and second is Worthiness. So first card is talking about this is a time for you to heal relationship with some senior male in your life. All right, so that person could be your boss, father, or a brother, or a friend. All right, but there's some kind of healing which is required, okay, especially with respect to relationship that you share with this person. Also, mermaids are actually telling you that do not let other people dominate you. Right, you must know your worth. You must stay more confident. Mermaids are assuring you that you will get everything that you are desiring right now. It could be money, it could be relationships, or appreciation, respect. Okay, but the point is, unless you learn to love yourself, unless you love to respect yourself, okay, you will not be able to receive it. All right, so it is time for you to assume your true power. It's time for you to go within and appreciate your own self. Okay, also do not take your strengths, do not take your positive aspects for granted. Learn to appreciate yourself. All right, so it's a very clear message. Know that you deserve to receive good in all ways. All right, so if you're in doubt, like if you're feeling frustrated or doubtful, that if you're thinking whether I would really receive what I really want to receive, whether I'll be able to achieve my dreams or not. All right, so there's a clear yes from mermaids that you will be able to do it. All right, just work on your self-esteem and please take some efforts to heal this relationship. If I also getting a message that if you are a father, all right, it is time for you to spend some quality time with your children. All right, take some efforts. Okay, do not try to dominate your children. Do not micro manage things. All right, just accept your children the way they are. All right, and just spend more time with them, have fun with them. Okay, that's it for pile number 1. Now let's check pile number 2. All those who selected pile number 2, this beautiful shell, you got two messages. First is blessed change and second is stay optimistic. So see how these cards are so much aligned with each other. So first card is talking about see, mermaids, they do understand that you are very much uncomfortable with whatever changes that you are witnessing in your life currently, and it may look like things are just falling apart. Things are just not working the way you were expecting them to be. But the message is very clear. It is kind of a situation where there is a blessing in disguise. All right, so a major life change brings you great blessing. So it's okay. Mermaids are asking you to flow with life. All right, just flow with ease, accept whatever is happening in your life currently, and know that they are kind of assuring you that everything is happening for your highest good. All right, you may not understand. All right, you must be asking this question, why me, why the hell these things are happening with me. Okay, and at times you may lose hope. Okay, but mermaids are assuring you that no, things are happening for your highest good. So let's talk about second card, which which is giving you message of optimism. So you can read the message. Your dreams are coming true. Do not quit right before the miracle occurs. Right, such a powerful message. Yeah, at times you feel so frustrated that you've been working so hard, but you're not getting any results. But and then you wonder, is it really worth fighting for? Is it really worth to spend so much energy and time and everything? But mermaids are assuring you that please, it's not time for you to quit. It is time for you to hold on, just wait and watch. All right, you are almost about to receive what you were asking for. So please do not quit. Okay, stay optimistic. All right, so definitely mermaids are giving you lots of blessings, lots of hopes, and they truly understand what you are thinking and feeling now. All right, but they are also encouraging you to rise above your current life situations and stay focused and determined towards whatever you want to achieve. All right, all those who selected pile number 3, you got 2 messages: morning affirmations and positive energy. All right, so here mermaids are actually guiding you to manage your energy in the morning. So just pay attention to your feelings when you wake up. How you're feeling? You're feeling positive, you're feeling happy, energized. Then what happens? Law of attraction kicks in, and you tend to manifest similar experiences throughout the day, and vice versa. So if you're feeling grumpy, if you're sulking, if you're feeling very sad, negative in especially during morning times, then again law of attraction will kick in and will present similar experiences. So here what you can do is you could just inculcate some good habits, like you can go for a morning walk, you can meditate in the morning at least for 15 minutes, or you can just simply write affirmations. So affirmations are nothing but positive statements. So like for example, how I use affirmations, I always combine affirmations with prayers. So what I do is I ask universe. So here, since we are taking guidance from mermaids, so let's connect with mermaids. So dear mermaids, can you please help me shift my mood? Can you please help me feel more positive? Can you please help me feel enthusiastic? Like that. So you can pray to mermaids, you can pray to angels, or the universe. Next message you got is positive energy. So surround yourself with positive people and situations and avoid negativity. So guys, it's time for you to stay away from people who kind of discourage you, okay, who are jealous of you, or people who are simply very negative. So it's not just about people, but this card, mermaids are asking you to surround yourself with positive energy. So just think about what videos are you watching on YouTube. Okay, are you watching toxic news all the time? Then it's time for you to watch something positive. All right, then just be aware. What kind of books are you reading? What kind of movies are you watching? Okay, so you must ensure that whatever activities that you're doing, right, could be reading book or watching movies or some web series or serials, or if you're spending time with your friends, family members, okay, you must ensure that your energy is protected. And how to do it? Just simply choose positive people, choose people who love you, who genuinely wish positive things for you. All right, so but again, it's a conscious choice. Okay, it's nothing about like shielding and protecting yourself, but it is more about making conscious choices, taking conscious efforts to stay positive. Okay, so I feel that's the message for people who chose pile number 3. Thank you guys for watching this video. Do let me know in the comment section which pile you chose, and do post your feedback. Thank you. I just loved shooting this video and it was an amazing experience for me. Bye bye.